What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 music fail to play tracks error. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then go back to your home screen and open settings and scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and find music app and click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your music app. After clear the cache memory of your music app, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store and search here Power Ramp. First of all, install this Power Ramp app. After install it, and then you can manage this app in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.